In this video, I'll show you how you can get a refund on Steam games. Now keep in mind that there's two requirements. The one is that you cannot have more than 2 hours playtime, and the other one is that you cannot have bought the game more than 2 weeks ago. So it needs to be within 14 days and less than 2 hours playtime. Now how you do this is simply clicking on your profile, go to account details. In here go to view purchase history. From in here select the game that you want to do it with. I'll just select Pal World. Click I would like a refund. In here I'd like to request a refund. And then what you want to do in here is you just want to choose the reason here. Can be my computer doesn't meet the requirements. Put a note in here, whichever you want, and then submit the request. Now keep in mind I have 4 hours of playtime and I bought this game like months ago, so I'm not gonna be able to get the refund on this game. But if you meet the requirements, you should get a refund pretty quick. Now that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.